What's up, homies and hoes? Let's talk file trees, okay? You're gonna need them if you're like a weirdo nerd on the internet. It's a thing, you know? You gotta show them like what FLACs have I downloaded recently. Look at my homebrew collection. Wow. How else are they gonna know that you got all this Katamari? Look at this. Bro, those are FLAC files? Whoa. Whoa, oh my, whoa, so big, whoa. Yeah, you gotta do that, okay? So, let's bring up a little PowerShell. Right click, open in terminal, or up here, I forget who showed me this, but super cool tip. Type it up there. Let's get this going. And I'm just gonna use the built-in one for Windows. Tree. Look at all that. So you take all this right here. Now it's gonna flash. Okay. So anyway, you grab this, you copy it, and you wind up with something like this. You paste it on your blogs. You're like, oh man, everyone, look at this. Look at all this stuff. And then you're like, okay, I want the files too. So you got like tree, F, and you know what? We're gonna throw it into a file. So file.txt. Let's take a look at this. So we'll throw that. Thank you, tree, into that, and that's all the piping that's gonna be going on today. I've had some issues with piping. So look at this. This is clean, but got a couple other tools I was using. Like Tread was pretty cool. I liked the output, but oh man, Windows, it just butchered it because I'm a little bit of a special snowflake. Is that still a term? That seems. I want to unsay that. I can't unsay that though. Anyway, yeah, I've got to have it on the Japanese locale for my my gal games. That's how it do be. Shoujo game. Visual novel is a colonizing term. It's not. I don't mean that seriously, but I kind of do at the same time. Let's take a look. Look at all these. Wow. How else would you know? So anyway, let's look at that file here. Rename it file.txt. Now look, now it has all the FLAC files, all that good stuff. So if you're on like Linux or Mac, or also on Windows, you can use Tre, you can use Tree, TreeX, or just Tree. So there we go. That's Tre, and we can do Tre -D. You're gonna notice it's not /D. It's because in the future we've moved past that. You know, we're civilized. We do hyphens. We don't do the /. It's too DOSy, you know. The only thing about this though, if you do this, you pipe that into a file. Check this out. Yeah, that's just wrong. It does this to all your Japanese, and it's like, I don't know. I've looked at like alternatives. I've tried doing the outputty thingy and changing it to UTF-8, all that stuff. Same deal. So probably just gonna keep using tree. That's how it is. But these totally exist. So TreeX, Tre, Bird Tray, all that good stuff. One other thing. Check this out. Yeah, you can't just paste that. Come on. You gotta go over here. Grab something like this here. Check it. This is for the culture. There we go. Check it out. So, doing this. Get that pre-tag at the end. Throw it in there. Boom. See, I originally had this set so I could do like the green text, like it's kind of look like this right here. I don't know. You can mess with it. It's up on the blog article. Just honestly, you know, I think sharing file trees should be like normalized. It's cool. Like just be like, hey, look what I got. Look at all this. Show your friends on the cord. Oh yeah, Homebrew exists as a package manager. Scoop exists. You guys know that, right? Just package managers. You package stuff. Oh yeah, download some zines. They're zany to the max. That's pretty accurate. Congrats to Arya, $8,000, and it's got like a YouTube coming. And congratulations to the Lucky Star website for still being updated. It's really something.